Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the video. It's your here, aka Tutorials FC, and today we're in Budapest right now, and I'm going to be telling you the 3 best apps to download when you're in Hungary. By the way, I'll give you guys a quick shout out to Noodle Vince. If you want to shout out, comment on my post. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you the best view right now. Let me just alright, cool. Yeah. Alright, guys. So the first app that you guys need to download is Google Maps. With this app, help you a ton with navigation and help you, to get to your destination from point A to point B. And I want to really love about Google Maps is that it can give you the transportation or any one of them, which is like the quickest to get to your destination. Yeah. So, for example, if I want to go to a McDonald's right now, I have a phone right here, and I'm right now in this church, I guess. Big building I see. Yeah, just I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna just know like what's the quickest transportation, like buses, anything. We'll see. Yo, guys, I just got off a train, and what better way to talk about a tram, yeah, than Budapest Go? Yeah, basically with this app, you can get access to all the transportations. You know, the metro, the tram, which is right over there. You wanna show you guys there? That's the tram right over here, which I just got off out of. And yeah, definitely if you're a tourist or you're living in Budapest, you need to get a pass. I asked all this, yeah. I have another follow-up video about this, and yeah, that's basically it, guys. This is the second app. I have my phone right here, you guys see. And yeah, moving on to the next one. Alright guys, we're actually beside the memorial statue right over there. But today we're gonna be talking about something completely unrelated. The last one is Wolt. Now Wolt is like a food delivery app. It's like your usual Talaba, your usual Zomato, your usual DoorDash. Yeah. With this app, if you want some McDonald's, and I'm giving many McDonald's references, but if you want some McDonald's, some Burger King, and you're feeling really lazy, just use Volt. My phone demonstration right over here on how to use Volt. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you all found it useful. And yeah, see you guys in the next